Where does the name for Mynydd Pant come from? So today I'm on a hill just outside Penrhyn Side in Conwy County, and it's called Mynydd Pant. So the name for Mynydd Pant is fairly simple. We have Mynydd, which is a mountain. It's related distantly to the word mountain, the word mons in Latin. It's from Brythonic, mynydd. And then we have Pant. Now a pant is a hollow or a depression in the ground. And here it probably references the depression in the ground left behind by some roundhouses which may have been here in the Roman or sub-Roman period. So the name literally means the mountain of the hollow. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.